One of the most awaited smartphones of the year has finally arrived, the Honor Magic 6 Pro. This phone boasts impressive features, including the sharpest telephoto lens on a smartphone, a bright screen, and exceptional battery life. Let's dive into the details. Upon unboxing, Honor presents a sleek package, albeit sans charger this time. Instead, you'll find a longer USB-C cable, paperwork, and the usual tools. The design retains its iconic look from the previous model, but with some exciting new changes. The Magic 6 Pro comes in both black and green models, each with distinct aesthetics. The green variant features a refreshing leather-textured back, complemented by golden accents. Conversely, the black model exudes a stealthy vibe with its clean matte finish. One notable design aspect is the unique camera layout. The standout feature is the larger 180-megapixel telephoto lens, emphasizing its prowess in photography. This phone challenges the norm by showcasing asymmetrical lens sizes, highlighting its monster zoom capabilities. But beyond its impressive camera setup, the Magic 6 Pro shines in battery performance. Thanks to Honor's second-gen silicon carbon battery and magic optimization, it outlasts competitors by up to 2 hours in extreme battery drain tests. Another standout feature is its display, boasting a 6.8-inch curved LED screen with 5,000 nits of peak brightness. This makes it ideal for outdoor use, offering a visually stunning and eye-friendly experience. In terms of security, a Magic 6 Pro stands out with both an optical fingerprint scanner and a 3D facial scanner. This ensures top-notch security while adding a touch of convenience with dynamic animations. Under the hood, the Magic 6 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 series chip, delivering smooth performance. Magic OS 8 introduces several AI-powered features, including noise cancellation and the innovative Magic Portal for seamless multitasking. Moving on to the cameras, the Magic 6 Pro impresses with well-tuned images and strong HDR performance. The dual-aperture main sensor excels in various lighting conditions, while the zoom lens delivers sharp details even at high magnifications. Video capabilities are also commendable, with support for 4K 60 FPS recording and a cinematic mode for artistic shots. The front camera offers detailed selfies, making it a versatile tool for capturing memories. In conclusion, the Honor Magic 6 Pro sets a new standard in smartphone innovation. With its exceptional battery life, stunning display, and versatile camera system, it's a compelling choice for tech enthusiasts. Whether it's the flagship features or the competitive pricing, Honor has certainly made a mark with this device.